In the figure above, PQT is an isosceles triangle. That is, this angle here, this triangle PQT is an isosceles triangle. PQ is equal to QT, and that is one feature or characteristic of an isosceles triangle. Two sides and two angles are equal. So PQ here is equal to QT. That is the reason for what you are seeing here. SRQ, that is SRQ, this angle here is equal to 35 degrees. TPQ is equal to 20 degrees. That is this angle. TPQ is equal to 20 degrees. And PQR is a straight line. That is this line here. Based on the information provided here, we are asked to calculate TSR. Where is TSR? This angle over here. That is TSR. So the first thing we need to do here, when you look at this diagram, already we have been informed that PQT is an isosceles triangle such that PQ and QT are equal. And by implication, this angle T is also equal to 20 degrees. That is, base angles of an isosceles triangles are equal. So we have 20 degrees here and 20 degrees here. The next thing we need to do is to get angle Q. And how do we do that? Angle, that is PQT. Angle PQT is going to be equal to 180 minus angle QPT plus PTQ. That's equal to 180 minus QPT here is this angle which is 20 degrees, while PTQ is this angle which is also 20 degrees. So we are going to have 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, and that's equal to 140 degrees, implying that this angle here is 140 degrees. So we are also told from this part of the sentence that PQR is a straight line, implying that if PQT, which is this angle here, is 140, we need to get this angle TQR. That's TQR. So for us to get TQR, we are going to do 180 minus 140, which is the value of angle PQT there. What's the reason? Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. So 180 minus 140, we have 40 degrees, implying that TQR is equal to 40 degrees. Now that we've gotten this angle, look closely again at this triangle. This is 40 degrees, this is 35 degrees. QSR is not yet known, this angle here, QSR. So for us to get QSR is going to be equal to 180 minus, we'll have this 40 degrees plus this 35 degrees. 35 degrees plus 40 degrees. That is sum of angles in a triangle gives us 180. And since we already know two sides or two angles of this triangle, we need to subtract them from 180 for us to get the angle that is remaining here. So QSR will be equal to 180 minus 35 plus 40, we have 75, and that is equal to 105 degrees. So QSR, which is this angle here, is equal to 105 degrees. Lastly, for us to calculate angle TSR, which was the question asked us, when you look at line TQ, since this is a straight line, we've known this angle here to be 105, and this angle QSR plus TSR will give us 180. So since we already know QSR, we'll subtract this from 180 for us to get TSR. So what we have here is TSR will be equal to 180 degrees minus 105 degrees. That is angles on a straight line also. Angles on a straight line. Such that 180 minus 105, we have 75 degrees as the correct option here, and that corresponds with option C. And before I end this, I just want to show you another way of solving this. Now, when you get two opposite interior angles, their sum will give you the exterior angle. When you look at the angle here, this is the exterior angle, while these two interior angles are opposite to this exterior angle. So the sum of these opposite interior angles equal to this exterior angle. 40 plus 35 will give you that same 75 that we got here as our answer for TSR.